See here, circles based problem. Two circles touch internally. Two circles touch internally. Two circles touch internally. The sum of their areas are 170 pi centimeter square and the distance between their centers is 4 centimeter. Find the radii of the circles. See once again, two circles touch internally. Two circles touch internally. The sum of their areas are 170 pi centimeter square and distance between their centers is 4 centimeter. Find the radii of the circles. Okay. See, two circles touch internally. What they are saying here? Two circles touch internally, and this is the center of this circle and this is the center of big circle. Okay, this total is radius, and from here to here radius for smaller circle. So given two circles touch internally, let the radius of big circle be capital R. You can take like this, center is O for small circle and here for big circle O dash, and big circle I am taking radius capital R. Small circle radius is there na, this I am taking small r. Okay, so now here given two circles touch internally, let the radius of the big circle be capital R and let the radius of smaller circle be small r, and distance between their center they give, and find the radii of the circles, means that capital R and small r values we have to find. Let the radius of small circle R over now, difference of their centers is 4 centimeter. Difference of their centers means, here see, difference of their centers means difference between their radius. Okay, so capital R minus small r equals to 4 centimeter. So R is equals to capital R equals to small r plus 4, means we converted capital R radius into small r, then we will find the values very easily. So now see, given sum of their areas, which areas? Sum of, see, two circles touch internally, the sum of their areas, means circles areas is 170 pi centimeter square. See, what is the formula of a circle area? Pi r square. Means big circle area is pi capital R square, small circle area is pi small r square. So pi capital R square plus pi small r square equals to 170 pi centimeter square. That they gave na. Okay. Now I am taking pi common here. See, pi capital R square plus pi small r square equals to 170 pi centimeter square. Pi taking common, capital R square plus small r square equals to 170 pi centimeter square. See, this pi will get cancelled. Then capital R square plus small r square equals to 170 centimeter square. What is capital R? See, suppose I am taking here first equation. From first equation, capital R value equals to small r plus 4. Means if you add radius, small r value is there, you have to substitute small r value, then we have to add 4, then we will get capital R, means big circle radius. So capital R value small r plus 4 whole square plus r square, this is as it is, equals to 170. So it is in the form of a plus b whole square formula. A square means r square plus b square 4 square 16, 2ab 2 into r into 4, 2 4 are 8 r into r is there, plus r square equals to 170. Now see, r square plus r square 2r square 8r plus 16 minus 170 is equal to 0. Now see, 16 minus 170, that value is 150 4. Now that is 2r square plus 8r minus 154 equals to 0. I am taking 2 common, otherwise we can tell divide with 2. 2 remove means r square. 2 4s are 8. 2 77s are 154. So now factors finding. See here nothing is there means what? 1. 1 into 77 plus 1 into minus 77, that is minus 77. That factors we have to find. 11 7s are 77. 11 minus 4, 7, we will get 4. Means 4 is there in middle. 11 7s are 77. 11 minus 7, 4. Plus 11 minus 7, because plus 4 is there. That you have to observe. So r square plus 11r minus 7r minus 77 equals to 0. I am taking r common. R into r square plus r into 11, 11r minus 7 taking common, r. 7 11s are 77. Minus into plus minus. So now what is common? R plus 11 is common. So we will write r plus 11 into r minus 7 equals to 0. Then r minus 7 equals to 0. Then r equals to 7. So small r value 7. And what is capital R value? Capital R value is first equation from the first equation. Small r plus 4 means small r value 7. 7 plus 4 11. 11 centimeters. Therefore required radii are 11 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Second problem. Now second problem. The areas of two concentric circles. The areas of two concentric circles are 962.5 centimeter square and 1386 centimeter square respectively. Find the width of the ring. See, the areas of two concentric circles are 962.5 centimeter square and 1386 centimeter square respectively. Find the width of the ring. Find the width of the ring. Width of the ring means difference of their radius. Okay. The areas of two concentric circles are what are the first concentric circles? Two circles are having same center, then those circles are called concentric circles. See here, two circles are there. See here, two circles. Rough diagram, just say one circle is there, other circle is there. See, other circle is there, but center is same. Yes, these are called concentric circles. Concentric circles. Circles having same center. Okay. Now, so here given areas of two concentric circles are 962.5 centimeter square and 1386 centimeter square respectively. So here see, this you take R1, big one you can take R2, radius. Okay. Now let capital R1 and small r1 be the radii of two concentric circles. See, pi r1 square equals to 962.5 centimeter square. So pi value 22 upon 7 into r1 square equals to 962.5. r1 square equals to 962.5 into 7 upon 22. With 11 I did cancellation. 11 2s are 22. 11 8s are 88. Okay. Again what will be there? 82 will be there. 11 7s are 77. Again 5. Point is there. 55 means 87.5. So 87.5 into 7 upon 2. See, 87.5 into 7 value is 612.5 upon 2. That is R1 is 306. R1 square is equals to 306 point. See, 2 30s are 60. Again 2 6s are 12. Point 50. Here 50. Okay, that is 25. So now R1 square equals to 306.25. I want R1. R1 means square root of 306 means 30,625 upon 100. I remove decimal, then 100. See now 30,625. We know the method. See 30,625. Factor see first what 2 we are taking. 1 1 jar 1. 3 minus 1 2. Again take G is 2 means 206. 1 plus 1 2. See 27 7 jar 7 7 jar 49. 7 2 jar 14. Again carry for 189. 16 minus 9 7. Here 9 minus 1. 9 minus 8 means 1. So 17 here. Take this as it is. Now what we will do? This is which method? Finding square root method. So 27 is there. 27 in the place of 1 digit, 7 is there. Means 34. 34 beside some number I should write. 345 5s. That is 5 5s are 25. Carry 2 is there. 5 4s are 20. Again carry 2 is there 22. Again 2 is there. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2 17. Means 17 25. So 175 into 175 we will get 30,625. So square root of 30,625 value is what? 175. Square root of 100 that is 10. It is easy method. Okay, that is 17.5. 17.5 centimeter. Now come to this here pi r2 square that is 1386 centimeter square. 22 upon 7 into r2 square equals to 1386. R2 square equals to 1386 into reciprocal 7 upon 22. See now here 22 63 times we will get 1386 into 7. R2 square equals to 63 into 7. 63 we can write 7 into 9 na? R2 means square root of 63 into 7. 63 I wrote 7 into 9. Again 7 as it is. For 2 7s 1 7 will come outside. Square root R2 value we are finding. For 9 3 into 3 1 3 will come outside. 7 3s are 21 centimeter. So R2 is 21 centimeter. What they are asking in the question, width of the ring, that is difference of their radius, that is R2 minus R1. What is R2 value? 21 centimeter minus 17.5, that is 3.5 centimeter. Therefore width of the ring is 3.5 centimeter.